Hi everyone, this is an unboxing video of Philips Sonicare to 3100 series electric toothbrush. Now, why I choose this particular toothbrush? This is third generation of electric toothbrush working on sonic principle. Its vibration per minute is 31,000. It has small brush head that you can approach to the furthest surface of the tooth, and also it is having pressure sensor. What is the pressure sensor? If you press with too much force, there will be alert, there will be beep alert. I don't know exactly what will be the alert because I haven't used this earlier. I will definitely make an a review video after using. Right now this is unboxing video. So why pressure sensor is important? Because faulty brushing, faulty pressure is one of the most important cause of disease at your teeth. It causes sensitivity. So pressure sensor will help you how much pressure to be given. Now this is the box, you can see. I purchased it from Amazon and price is 1700. It was a discounted price. MRP is 3500. So it came like this on this box only. There are no other Amazon box. It was came like this Philips box, but the protection was very good inside the box. I'll show you just in a few seconds. So you can see this is the protection. This is the paper box. It's a hardy paper box. There are very less chance of any damage, and this is the removable upper attachment or brush head. You can see the small brush head so that you can approach the furthest area of the tooth, and there is a protector over the brush head too. After using, you can place this protector. It is a very lightweight actually. It looks amazing, and you can make out that this is a great product by just taking it. Now this is the body. This is also not that much heavy, lightweight only. This is the very sturdy, lightweight body with one switch on and off. There is vibration if you switch on that machine. There are no other switch, only one switch, and this is the smart charger. There is no adapter head actually, only this portion is given. So there are three components of this brush that is given here. One is brush head, one is that smart charger without adapter, and the body. This is not very heavy body. You can see that this is the final product after attaching the upper attachment. Very good grip, easy to use, only one switch, and soft bristles and short brush head makes it more perfect.